Hello everyone! Today I've got some easy t-shirt cutting tutorials for tank tops, so grab your scissors. For these tutorials you will need a couple t-shirts, sharp scissors, a ruler, something to mark your clothing with, and a pen or pencil. The first tutorial is the narrow tank top. Turn your shirt inside out, then lay it down flat, face up. Use your ruler to draw a line connecting the outer edge of the collar to the armpit on that side. Repeat on the other side. Grab your scissors and cut off the sleeves using these lines. Trim the back if necessary. And that's it. Next is the slotted tank top. Start by following the first tutorial. Then turn your shirt inside out and lay it down flat, face up. A few inches down from the collar, draw a curved line following the shape of the collar. Draw two lines in the center about an inch apart, connecting the collar to the curved line. Draw a second set of lines connecting the collar to the curved line, about halfway between the first set and the edge of the shirt. Then draw one more line about an inch away from the edge of the shirt. Repeat on the other side. Now very carefully on the top layer of fabric, start cutting out the rectangles between the sets of lines. And that's the tutorial. Last up is the stretch tank top. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want the crop to be. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and face up. Draw a straight line connecting your crop marks and cut along this line. Now draw a straight line horizontally across your shirt under the collar. Then draw two vertical lines at either side of the collar, connecting to the first, making a square neck. Draw another vertical line a couple inches away, parallel to the last, and the same length. Continue this line down the inside of the arm to the armpit. Repeat on the other side. Cut off the sleeves using these lines, then cut out the square neck through both layers of fabric. Then stretch the straps, the neckline, and the whole tank. Now make some dots evenly spaced along the neckline. Cut tiny holes on all the dots, then stretch these holes using a pen, pencil, or anything of similar shape. Then I decided to make another row of holes, below of and in between the first. And that's it. And that's the whole video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed yourself. If you did, be sure to let me know, and if you're looking for more, check out my other social medias, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thank you for watching.